I am completely blown away by the capability of this portable battery bank. It can charge my MacBook Pro, my iPhone, iPad, and let's do a charging and discharging test using my power meter and a portable power meter as usual. I highly recommend it. Okay, you have to check this out. 60 watts charging my MacBook Pro. Oh my God, this is crazy. Pro is at 34%. Let's try this. 20 volts, 2.6 amps. That's 49. Okay, 65, 53. It changes a little bit. Let's see that here. Almost 60. This thing is amazing. 45, 45, 46, 47, 50. Wow. I am really impressed. Yeah, it's been a while since I used such a large power bank now. 32%. You can pause and read the user manual. So it features Type-C and micro USB input. It is more optimum to just use the Type-C. With a QC3 compatible charger, you are getting about 20 watts input. That's the fastest way to charge. It doesn't matter if you plug in another USB, micro USB port, the voltage will drop. So therefore, even if you use a dedicated charger like this and measure it using a power meter, it's not gonna help. I'm getting 0 watts in, so which means you should forget about this micro USB cable charging, which is significantly slower. So I would totally just recommend using the included Type-C cable for charging. You're only getting like a little bit more than 10 watts. So there you go. It's so cool to have pass-through charging when it's getting recharged. You can see the percentage, and one click gets you the voltage, which is 12 volts. That's the QC3. And now I'm charging my iPad, which is at 40 volts, 40%. So it's doing, that's input 1.4 amp, but it's also charging my iPad. Let's measure the output by plugging in a USB meter again, so we can get more insight of what is the output. That's like about 5 watts to the iPad. This is very good results, actually. Not many power bank can do pass-through charging, so yeah, this is by far the one of the best large pocket size one I've ever used this year. Mind when it's doing pass-through charging, the input really dropped to less than 10 watts if we do pass-through. Let's try the Type-C to Type-C cable. With the power meter in the middle, it's charging 88%. We're getting 21.9 watts, almost 22 watts. This is excellent. Yeah, for modern devices that supports power delivery, definitely use the Type-C cable. Yeah, this port, 15 volts. Excellent. The bank really shines when I'm charging the MacBook Pro, which is currently at 34%. I plugged in a power meter in the middle, so you can see the output. It will climb up to around 60 watts, and it is rated at 65. Here, let's see, 49, 53. Amazing. Yeah, this is the most powerful battery bank I've ever used. With one click, you can see the voltage, right? 20 volts, that's for charging the MacBook Pro. Another click shows the amperage. Current, 3 amps. So that is C. That's correct. It is consistent with my power USB meter here. 60 watts. The pass-through charging is not possible when the power delivery port is being used to charge the MacBook Pro. It will disconnect that power delivery port as soon as you connect the USB Type A, micro USB input. It will cut off.